Water at. That's better. How you guys doing? Welcome back. If you're new to the channel, thank you guys for clicking on the channel. Like, share, subscribe, hit the notification button to join the Honor Society. If you are a part of the Honor Society, you've already hit the notification button, like, and subscribe. Thank you guys for showing up one more time. This is Cooking with Bishop, and I'm Bishop. What we got today is a little inspiration from some quick Southern roots catfish. It's like, I guess, like, kind of frowned upon. They call it like the cheap fish, like the redneck fish. In Tennessee, that's what they call it, the redneck fish. But to me, it's a super bomb, bro. It's like something that I've enjoyed eating all the time. I remember going to fairs down in Nashville and growing up, and during homecoming weekend, that's literally the only thing I would go for. I would go for fried chicken sandwiches all day. Just literally, it was so simple. It was 2 pieces of white bread, fried catfish, 2, 3, 4 pickles, and some hot sauce and mustard, and that was it. So, with inspiration of that and OMB Peasy actually having one on his channel, kind of like inspired me to do the same thing. So, if you haven't checked his out, go check his out. It's pretty cool. But check it out after this video. Right now, it's gonna be your boy Cooking with Bishop coming right back at you. Mob. So I already had like the flour, cornstarch, and a little bit of baking soda in there. So right now what I'm doing is getting my drench ready. So I'm using Louisiana hot sauce just because that's what I always grew up on. I kind of got greedy on this one, so I kind of popped the top off with a knife and poured a little more in there than what I wanted. But, you know, never can have too much hot sauce. So now I'll take my flour and cornstarch mix and add a little bit of paprika to it, just because I want to add the seasoning to the flour mixture and not to the catfish itself. For some reason I've tried to do that and it doesn't stick. So again, I've added some paprika, I've added some pepper and a little bit of garlic salt. And then here I've added my best friend, Old Bay. I love Old Bay seasoning. It's so good. It can go on like crab, it can go on catfish, it can go on chicken sometimes. So I took a little bit of that, sprinkled that in there, and then I got that all mixed together. And again, you want to make sure it's nice and evenly mixed through all the way. So there's no lack of seasoning, or that you have more seasoning on the bottom or none on the bottom and more on the top. So get in there and mix it together. I always wear gloves, as you can see, just the cooking's a mess. So now we take our catfish and we're going to dunk it in the hot sauce drench that we have there, and then get a nice coat of our flour corn mixture with Old Bay seasoning, and then give it a quick little fry. It should fry fairly fast, so you don't need to have your grease up too high. So I will put it on, have it grease at like a medium high heat, or if you're like me, like 5, or like your numbers inside your kitchen. But again, just, get it nice and covered, drench it, and dunk it in. Take it now, and we have pretty much golden brown. These are all done. Some of the coating fell off, but that happens. But it's golden brown, and as you can see now, this is the end product of all of our catfish that we have done. Me, I am a super nut for having a little bit of citrus on it. So what I did was reach into the fridge right here, and I grabbed some lime juice, and I took that and just gave it a little bit of run over the top. Not too much, but just enough to give it some flavor. Also on the back end, I took, oh, actually I did do a lot. Jesus. It didn't taste like a lot though. It definitely didn't taste like a lot. And then after that, I took a little bit of lemon pepper, tossed it in my hand, just gave it a little shake, a little swirl, a little shake, a little swirl, right over the top. And that was pretty much it for it. I did have some french fries and onion rings. Oh, also some thyme right there, baby. That's some thyme. But I did have some onion rings, some french fries, and we took that to the table and enjoyed our nice little catfish dinner. Again, a lot of people in the South call this the redneck meal. I really don't know where it comes from, but as you can see, we had the french fries and some onion rings. We also had catfish, all the condiments, and of course, ain't no laws when you're drinking claws, baby. Yeah, man, you guys have a great one. Thank you guys for showing up, watching again. This has been another episode of Cooking with Bishop. Thank you all. Thank you all. If you're new to the channel, please like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification button so you know when more videos are coming out. If you're already a part of the Honor Society squad, I appreciate you guys for showing up more and more. These videos are going to keep coming, man. I'm enjoying them. Thank you guys for showing up and always showing out. Mob.